Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to ICP update today. And I think ICP, even though Bitcoin has been pumping up, ICP didn't do anything significant. Yeah, it has just come down, move up. Bitcoin did pump a little bit. So I think there's too much manipulation. Honestly, at this point, it's hard to figure out what's going on. It's just better not to touch anything. And what could be better is if there could be a dump. If you need a trade, maybe just let the dump happen first and enter when everything is flushed out, right? And you get some big discounts because it makes it much more easier not to bite your nails when things are going good. Now, there's one thing I want to talk about very quickly, and that is there's head and shoulders everywhere. Okay, now the bigger one, as I showed you previously, here it looks like this, right? So this is the bigger head and shoulder. You have left shoulder, head, and that's the right shoulder. Very picture perfect head and shoulder. All it needs is just a breakdown and then move all the way down 6.3. The other one is this mini head and shoulder, and that is going to be right over there. You have the prices that are breaking below, and if you look at ICP, I think ICP is about to get down. We're looking for a move from there to there, and yes, we might see ICP down at 11.2, and that's going to be a drop. If it goes back for the retest, that's going to be a 7%. You can actually scalp it and enjoy 7% if you want to do that. I think it's a good idea. Sometimes even the smallest win are really good, and it does matter. And that's it for this quick update on ICP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.